Hello everyone, welcome back to ShabanVerse. I hope you're doing great. Today we have an exciting update from Pi Network that could become one of the biggest highlights before Pi2Day on June 28th. Pi Network has officially launched the Vibe Coder campaign, and this initiative is designed to bring AI-powered developers and creators into the Pi ecosystem. If you've been following Pi Network, you know that the team has been focusing more on real-world utility. And this latest campaign is another step in that direction. So in today's video, I'll explain what the Vibe Coder campaign is, how you can participate, why Pi Network is targeting AI developers, and what this could mean for the future of the Pi ecosystem. Make sure you watch until the end because this update is important for every pioneer. First of all, let's understand what the term Vibe Coder actually means. Over the last few years, artificial intelligence has completely changed the way software is built. Today, developers can use AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and other coding assistants to create websites and web applications much faster than before. Instead of writing every line of code manually, AI helps developers build working applications in a fraction of the time. These developers are often called Vibe Coders because they work closely with AI to bring their ideas to life. Pi Network has recognized this growing trend and wants these developers to become part of the Pi ecosystem. According to Pi Network, developers who already have AI-built prototypes or working web applications don't need to start from scratch. Instead, they can connect their applications with the Pi ecosystem and make them available to millions of engaged users. This is exactly why the Vibe Coder campaign has been launched. The goal is not just to promote Pi Network, but also to encourage developers to explore the opportunities available inside the ecosystem. So how can pioneers participate? The process is very simple. Pi Network is asking community members to join developer or creator communities where AI developers are active. Once you're there, create a public post explaining why Pi Network could be useful for builders. Your post can introduce Pi App Studio, explain how existing applications can connect with Pi, and highlight features like Pi payments, identity verification, the advertising platform, and the large Pi community. After publishing your post, simply submit the public link through the Pi app. Selected participants will have a chance to win official Pi Network merchandise. While the rewards are exciting, the real purpose is to introduce Pi Network to developers who may never have heard about it before. One of the biggest selling points mentioned by Pi Network is its growing community. The network says developers can make their AI-built web applications available. More than 60 million engaged users. Think about that for a moment. One of the hardest challenges for any new application is finding users. Many developers spend months or even years trying to grow an audience. Pi Network is offering access to an already established global community, which could make the platform much more attractive for developers looking to launch or expand their projects. Another important feature is Pi App Studio. Pi App Studio is designed to make it easier for developers to integrate their applications into the Pi ecosystem. Instead of rebuilding an app from the beginning, developers may be able to connect their existing AI-created applications with Pi Network. They can use built-in Pi payments, user identity verification, and advertising services, making the development process faster and more efficient. If more developers take advantage of these tools, we could see many new applications joining the ecosystem in the future. This campaign is especially important because it comes just before Pi2Day, one of the biggest annual events in the Pi Network community. Every year, users look forward to major announcements, ecosystem improvements, and new features. The launch of the Vibe Coder campaign suggests that Pi Network wants to strengthen its ecosystem by attracting talented developers who can build useful, real-world applications. More quality apps could increase user engagement and improve the overall value of the ecosystem over time. However, it's also important to stay realistic. While this campaign has the potential to bring more developers into Pi Network, there is no guarantee of success. The long-term impact will depend on how many developers actually join, how useful their applications become, and how actively the community supports them. As always, everyone should do their own research and avoid making investment decisions based only on announcements or expectations. Overall, I think the Vibe Coder campaign is an interesting step toward expanding the Pi ecosystem. By encouraging AI developers to connect their applications with Pi Network, the project is focusing on utility rather than just increasing the number of users. If this strategy works, it could lead to a stronger ecosystem with more useful applications and greater community engagement. Now, I want to hear your opinion. Do you think this Vibe Coder campaign can attract AI developers and make Pi Network stronger? Or do you believe Pi still needs more development before it reaches mainstream adoption? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to ShabanVerse, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest Pi Network and crypto updates. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video. Did you?